wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Good morning, new vlog. Actually, is it morning? I don't know, it might be. Actually, I feel like it's 10, and it's still morning. I already went to the gym. I just finished taking down the last few braids that I had left, and it is time for me to wash my hair. I feel like that's pretty fun. No, I have to edit later on today, so not that much exciting things going on today, but I figured I would do like a wash and go on camera. Now, I have said this for years, I'm not a hair content girly. I don't even like doing my own hair, okay? But I want to break in between braids and whatever hairstyle I get next, so I'm just gonna wear my natural hair for a minute. And I got new shampoo in the mail from Living Proof. I've never tried it before, so I'm gonna use that and the conditioner, do a wash and go, and then go about my business for the rest of the day.
Here we are right now, no longer 17. Have we been around? Got some years on us, and a new barrel necessity. Yeah. So we're here, that I still appear inside your dreamland. Weird that I still appear inside your sleeping. Does he know about our time inside your REM cycle? And that I'm on the way when the night goes. Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Stay on one, baby, we play all the time. Gonna have a wild night, 1999. We stay on rewind, baby, we play all the time. Let's mix up tomorrow, so there's no more time. I swear it's been life, know it on the mind.
Okay, so it is another day. I don't remember the last day that I vlogged, you know, listen, I feel like y'all already used to it, all right? Anyway, but look who I'm with.
Hey guys.
It's my first time seeing her since Puerto Rico. It's been a minute.
It's been a minute.
Where are we going?
We're going, well, I gotta take something back to Zara. And then she said she gotta go to Sephora.
Not you.
And then,
I ain't telling that.
ooh.
Oh.
And then we're meeting up with Faye tonight to go to dinner.
I'm excited about the place that we're going to dinner for.
How do you say it?
Swan Garden? Something like that? I don't remember how it's spelled.
Soigene. Swanee?
Garden? It's very cute. I found it on TikTok. You know, my recommendations don't hit. What?
Swine.
You gonna ask at the door?
Let us know how do you pronounce it. But it's a new place, so.
So hopefully that's good. And yeah, that's it so far. Right? Good morning. Do I look crazy? Yes, I do. I gotta make this intro quick because of the music. Do I look crazy? Yes, I do. But you can see I'm at the hair salon. I'm getting my hair done. And then I gotta run some errands later on today. So I'll take you with me to get my hair done.
I can't even explain it, nah. Maybe it's the way you look in my eyes. How I feel is beyond words can describe. How you ignite this fire so deep inside. Got me hot like the summer. Really no one even knows me like you do. There's not many in my circle, so few. Love how you're my friend and not just a fool. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad, but it don't push you away. I know you love me in the sun or the rain. Love the way that you smell. You sure this ain't a spell like voodoo? You give me feelings I never felt. Do them little things that make my heart melt. I love how you can take a joke just as well as you speak to my soul. Love the passion that your voice holds. How you never ever hypocritical. Yeah. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad, but it don't push you away. I know you love me in the sun or the rain. Yeah. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad, but it don't push you away. I know you love me in the sun or the rain. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. Said I love it, love it, love it. Yeah. Said I love it, love it, love it. Sun or the rain. Baby, I want you to know that I'll never let you go. What I say ain't just for show. No, I'll never be more sure. You deserve it all and more. Type of love you gotta earn. It's not yours. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad, but it don't push you away. I know you love me in the sun or the
Hey! Hey, listen. This time get your grandma out the seat. This time, you know what I'm saying? This time make you wanna move. Hey, Watsonville, stand up. Hometown, stand up. Let's get it. Yeah. Face on the left side, know that it's my best side. Step into that west side funk. Watsonville treatment, California living, everybody from the 831.
Y'all, I am back home. My hair's already wrapped up, but you saw the process when I was there, and you guys have seen silk presses before. I'm ready to go to sleep, to be quite honest. Like, I had so much planned to do today, and I literally only accomplished one thing on that list, which was get my hair done. It took longer than I expected it to, and then by the time I got back, I realized I actually forgot to edit the video I had to upload today, so I had to do that. And then by the time I did that, I wasn't going anywhere after that. I did want to stop at Walmart to pick up that Taraji P. Henson body care everyone's talking about. I'm gonna have to try again tomorrow, which tomorrow's gonna be a busy day as well because I have a whole bunch of reels and TikToks planned. There is one sponsored one that I have to film, so I have to do that tomorrow. And I'm like, well, since I'm doing that, I like bulk filming those, so, you know, I can get them out of the way. But like, don't get it twisted. Reels, TikToks, you would think like it's 30 seconds, it's 40 seconds. When I tell you some of those fashion TikToks be taking me like 2 hours to do one, and I have like 6 planned to film tomorrow, which is another reason why I'm like, just thinking about it has me tired. So I'm like, let me go to sleep early so I can, because I still gotta work out tomorrow. I might take you guys to the gym with me tomorrow, because I gotta work out and then do all of that, and then hopefully I'll still have time to go make my errands after I do the filming tomorrow. But I could also be in the mood of very much so I just did all of that, so I don't want to do anything. We'll see though. Right now I'm gonna stretch my hips out a little bit because I forgot to do stretches this morning, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I am tired. Good. I was about to say morning. It's certainly not that. It's like 3 in the afternoon, so good afternoon. I don't remember the last place I dropped off, but I feel like I was telling you guys I need to go to Walmart. That still hasn't happened yet, but as you can see, I'm ready to go. I'm going to the first event that I've ever been to since moving down here. We're going to ignore my laundry over there, thank you. This is the first event I've gone to because you guys know I haven't even fully lived here for a year yet. And with the pandemic and everything like that, like brands haven't been doing events. So I don't know what the vibe is like when it comes to Atlanta creators. You know, I've been to events in New York, of course, and I've been to events in LA. I wouldn't recommend either one. So, and you know, like, I'm sure you guys have heard what people say about people in Atlanta. So we'll see how that goes, but I look cute on the way to go there, right? This dress is from Shop Pink Plastic. You guys saw the reel that I posted. I bought that dress, they saw it, they ended up sending me this dress and a couple other ones. Just the color is bomb. It's the right type of fabric. It's a nice quality fabric, so that if it's hot outside, like I won't overheat. But you know, if it's cold outside, like I'll still be warm in this. And then I'll try to show you the rest of the outfit like once I'm there. But I'm wearing the Tom Ford padlock heels that I bought for my birthday, Jacquemus bag, and the scent today is Kayali Eden, I think it's called, the one that smells like apples.
And we're here. Look who's there. She's being brave today, y'all. She wore all white.
I'm wearing a jacket.
That's also white.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm hungry.
Ooh.
I'm very hungry, y'all.
No, I'm telling her I'm giving it like an hour before I get hangry. But I meant like, you're excited for a creator event.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what to expect?
I don't know.
Ooh. We'll let you guys know how it goes. Not that face. You get on my nerves.
Better know I got the hook, baby. What you gonna do? Hey, yeah. See how they whipping that Chevy Impala speaker souped up, cause you know when they rollin' they gotta flex a little for the hometown love. Sliding through the Ville, what it do, what it does. Talking California, let me tell them what it was. Had to pop up on the scene to give the Central Coast some love. To give the Central Coast some buzz. Too smooth with it, baby, can't nobody tell me nothing. What you know about the Berry City? Show some love, had to get it one time. Extra bounce with the fun, yeah, you know we finna slide out. Take me to the front, whole city going crazy, baby, that's just what it was. Yeah, you already know what it is, baby, that's AC1 in the building. That's Watsonville, California, that's Santa Cruz, California, Salinas, Monterey, Seaside, Marina, you already know what I'm talking about, yeah. On the left side, know that that's my best side, step into.
No, y'all, why is your friend playing in my face? She said she knows where this place is, right? And I'm like, my feet hurts. So she's like, oh, it's right there.
Look at this, y'all. Look. I look good.
Yeah, get on my face. Anyway, she's like, it's right there. So we come to the street, it's not right there. And she's like, you want to sit down? No. If you don't get on my face, where are we going? You heard me say, like, where are we going? And she has not answered. But she's flexing for the camera. I got to sit down. My feet hurt.
I told you, can we sit down? It was a space open right there.
There's a table right there. Okay.
But yeah, when we...
So that is it for at least my first event in Atlanta. And honestly, I mean, of course it's the first one. It was better than most events I've been to in New York and most events I've been to in LA. LA, like, they treated your girl like she was a zoo animal when she went to events in LA. So I'm good on those. New York events, but I mean, everyone that we met today were pretty cool, right? We already made a Pilates date while we were there. We got lost. Ma'am, don't get out. Anyway, we tried to go to the place that was right next door called Southern Gentleman, but they were completely booked. So I'm gonna get on TikTok and find another place to go eat, and that's it.
Yeah, we're about to go to...
We're gonna find something to eat because it was a cool event, but they didn't really have like food or anything like that.
My feet didn't start hurting until like when we started coming to the car. At first, my feet were good. Now, they are burning.
Listen.
Burning.
It's like they have a bunch of like downhill type things that you gotta walk down. I was good until I got to those. And now, like, I'm ready to take the shoes off, but you know, beauty is pain, right? So I'm gonna find some place on TikTok for us to go eat, and we're gonna have dinner.